right about now. The Funk Soul Brother, check it out now. The Funk Soul Brother, right about now. The Funk Soul Brother, check it out now.
Perfect.
The Funk Soul Brother,
One
right
of the key
about
things about
now.
aerodynamics
The
is
Funk Soul
the
Brother,
Aerosmith,
check it
the
out
Super
now.
Frisbee, set the
The
Guinness
Funk
World
Soul
Record for
Brother, right
aerodynamics
about
expert at
now.
Stanford.
The Funk Soul Brother, check it out now. The Funk Soul Brother, right about now.
Though air is very light,
Check it out now.
it does have
Funk
mass.
Soul Brother, right about now. The Funk Soul Brother, right about now. About now. About now. About now.
For coffee connoisseurs and discerning caffeine addicts, the Aerobi AeroPress is a good move for a quick brew. It pressurizes coffee directly into your mug, and voila!
Perfect. And one thing has always stuck out about the AeroPress. It has this super high level of satisfaction. Once people use it a couple of times, they kind of fall in love with this process.
About now, Funk Soul Brother.
Hi everybody, AeroPress Champions. I wish you luck. Thank you for making AeroPress a success. I wish you happy AeroPressing.